Hollister. Adidas, Hollister, Brandy, Brenna's Closet.
Okay. Adidas, Hollister, Gap.
Biggest Labubu. Mom, where's the soda?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Gave you that sticker. You. I'm a loser. Him. We're doing this again because we didn't get the keychains.
Wait, can someone get me a banana too? I'm gonna use that as a gun. I'm gonna share it, bro.
guys, we're making dinner. So for dinner, I'm gonna have buttered chicken, butter squash mac and cheese, and more buttered chicken. And then well, I don't know if my mom wants to try that, so I was gonna make it. This was originally $30.
Getting a lot of views.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna open it.
Don't look at the card.
Ready?
Whoa, it's huge!
Sprout?
Yeah, that's the one thing. Wait, no, that's not Sprout. It's the one on the top.
Cute.
Guys, here is our morning breakfast: French toast, eggs, cornbread, kibasi, and some yogurt, granola, and fruit. We're at Haiti right now. We're gonna do our outfit check. Brown shirt, gray hoodie, jeans, Gap, yeah, Gap, and Hollister and Adidas. Brooklyn, what? Show your outfit. What? Show your outfit. Oh, Adidas again, Hollister again, and this is American Eagle. Yeah. And then my nails. My nails by me. My nails by Brooklyn. My nails bought. Yeah. Bye guys.
Here, you got
Those are
one.
so cute. This is what we're getting, guys. This is the haul. Guys, bye. Guys, we're trying this new ice cream place. It's a Chinese ice cream place, and the ice cream is literally only $1.19. So let's see how it is. It's cheap, so it doesn't really matter. Cheap ice cream, it's yummy. Can't wait. Matcha ice cream. Let's try the matcha.
It tastes like a little almondy.
Yeah, let me try yours. You taste it.
That's good. Usually try to add this. I want to try with the ice cream. A little bit of the.
That's ice cream.
No, that's.
Not bad. And it's just creamier. Guys, we're walking back to the hotel right now to get ready for dinner.
Oh, I actually really want wanted this one. It's so cute. Are you so excited? Oh my goodness! Yeah! You surprised?
Happy. Thank you.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday, Brooklyn.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Hi, I'm Lydia.
Hi, I'm Abby.
Say your name.
Oh, my name?
What's your name?
Oh, okay. I'm Stacy. What else I say? I didn't really know anyone here before, so I just got invited. And I thought it would be awkward, but I think everyone here is very friendly, and I think I didn't feel like any really awkwardness. Like I was talking to Nathan, and I told him that I don't really know anybody, and that I'm just kind of the plus one. But honestly, everyone here is super friendly, and I don't feel like a plus one really. But yeah.
I'm Nathan.
This is so weird. It's like the camera goes.
Hi, I'm Joe.
I'm Kaylin. I'm his girlfriend.
I'm Sarah, and they're all friends. And I'm the birthday girl. Hey.
Legit craziness in here. There's so much people. You can't even walk. Literally everywhere. Everywhere.
guys my Muji bag. Little Muji haul. My mom got these, I don't know what they are. And I got these blueberry mints. And I got the cutest thing. I got a tiny spoon. So cute. That's all. Goodbye. Secured